You can also create a tutorial project. Also creating it on my desktop. If you go to screens, probably it's the best to start with the Hello World. This is just a button with the Hello World text, minimal styling, just to show you the very basics. You can check out the styling example. Actually, it's a little bit more than an example because it's really more like a tutorial showing you more complex things than just a few lines of XML. But still pretty simple and digestible. You can also check how to create layouts. These checkboxes are created with flex layout. I created them in a column component, and this component automatically arranges the widgets in a column. So we have examples for animations, assets, data bindings, creating new component, new widget, new screens, styles, testing, translations, but I will show them later in this video.